The birds are eating.
Oh, look at that red one right there.
There are, oh, that's a male cardinal over there. And these are the females. They're eating the tomatoes. You see how the females are not red?
Kill them one, Kilina?
They don't. Look. Oh. It's a pretty. There goes the female. See the female over there now? And the squirrel.
Look,
the male.
They're teasing the squirrel. The squirrel wants to eat them.
No, it doesn't. Wow, the male is so pretty. Oh, goshy, washy.
Why, thank you.
No, the male is pretty for a reason. See the female is right down there?